Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write here on the screen that this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and what I would like to talk about today is the euro and the Japanese yen, as the euro and the Japanese yen is in a very sensitive positions, I would say, and not only very sensitive positions, but in a place which is governed by a psychological level or a psychological factor. That psychological level is the 150 level. Personally, I don't think that this market is traveling all the way from the below 100 into the 150 without taking a look at what's happening above or at that level. So it's going to be pretty interesting. Now, one important event that we have next week is the Federal Open Market Committee, the statement that the Federal Reserve is going to do on Wednesday. And it is heavily important because the Japanese yen pairs are moving based on what's happening with the equity market. You saw even this week with the US dollar, Japanese yen, and so on and so forth. So what I would like to do here, as I am bullish on the euro and the Japanese yen, I would say that we have two possibilities, and these two possibilities would mark the, or will be the highlight of our whole trading plan. This area here, let's make it this one in blue, and let's clone it and put it here, the 151 as well. So the 150 is psychological because it was not broke on a test above, or on a test on this move above, but then we are holding the ground on what? The 146.50 is extremely important as well. It has been here, take a look here, it has been a strong resistance on the first move to the upside. Then it turned out to be a strong support. Then on a test here that we had with the US dollar, Japanese yen printing below 118, we had this move here, and I would say that something is gotta give before the 150 to be reached. Most likely I will go for 146.50 to be reached, and that to be the moment to buy again call options. It's not that much of a distance here. This is 148, this is 146.50. It's not that much of a distance, but here I would like to buy call options, but only if 150 is not touched before. So if market goes 150 and then to 146.50, then I'm not interested anymore. So I would like to buy call options here with as big as the expiration date as possible. Next week is middle of December, so the expiration date should stretch until the end of month. Then what to look for next? Then I would like from this moment of time market to go into the 151 point something, and at that moment of time would like to buy put options if that one is coming this month. Never say that it's impossible, that this one is impossible, because in trading everything is possible. So the plan here on the euro and the Japanese yen is pretty simple, as I am looking to buy call options on the 146.50 with end of month expiration date, but only if 150 is not coming before. So before that level, only if that one is not coming, that is the moment that I would like to go and buy call options. Thank you for being here. This is a classical, if you want, support and resistance areas for euro and the Japanese yen, with a bit of let's say planning for the pair. Thank you and bye bye.